Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back again with another BTS haul. Well, there's just one that's fan made and all of them are official goods. So the only fan made I have is this. All the other items are official goods. So the first one is this. I got the Notes 2. Then the next one is the mini jigsaw puzzle, and I got Jin for the member. And then I also got this BTS X Mediheal. I actually got this from my local Korean grocery store. So, and lastly, the one I'm going to show you guys is what's inside the Learn Korean with BTS box. And here are the close-ups of the items I got. Here's what I got. So I got all 7 member stickers right here. So this one is Jin, and there's this one's Jimin, and then J-Hope, and this is V, and then here's RM, and there's Jungkook, and lastly here's Sugar. I also got some die cut stickers, and there's also some freebies that came with this package. So I know for a fact that I ordered her like self-made stickers, like her own characters, like these hamsters, this one, and this one, and then another freebie. And then this one is like the Easter egg or April month release that she had. I actually use these stickers on my journal or in my planner. And then there's also these ones in strawberry costumes. And then there's also this one, and this one is the Boy with Love. And then there's also this print that came with my package. So here's the puzzle. There's 108 pieces. So inside, here's the puzzle, and then it also came with like a transparent background photo card. Then here's the Notes 2, and I actually got the pre-order gift, which is just a plain notebook with blank pages. Here is the book. It says the Notes 2, the most beautiful moment in life. And without the dust jacket, this is what the inside looks like. This is the spine. And I also have here actually the first book just for comparison. Yeah, so the second book is definitely thicker than the first one. I'm glad that I got the second book, so now I can binge read the first and second. So the next one is this Mediheal and BTS collaboration, and I just got the package with the sheet masks that are for oily skin because that's my skin type. And there's like other ones too, but since this one is targeted towards my skin type, this is the only one I got. I've definitely opened this before because I wanted to see to see the postcards that it came with. So this is the first one. So there's 5 blue, and then there's 5 of the green one. This one is the Tea Tree 1 Care Solution Essential Mask, and then this one is the PDF AC Dressing Ampule Mask. And it says here that the Mediheal PDF AC Dressing Ampule Mask is picked by Jimin and Jin, and the Mediheal Tea Tree Care Solution Essential Mask is picked by Jungkook and J-Hope. And now let's move on opening this postcards that came with the package. So here are the postcards that came with the package. I think there's 2 for each member. So this is RM, Sugar, and then there's V, and then there's Jungkook, and then Jin, and then J-Hope, and lastly we have Jimin. And lastly, let's open my package of Learn Korean with BTS. So it's a slip case, and now we can open this. Okay, so this is what it looks like right when you open this. Remove this paper, and this is the speaking pen. Let's try to open this. So here's the pen, and this is the USB cable that comes with the pen. And then let's see the books. So before we get on the books or the workbooks, and I was lucky enough that I was able to place an order with the first pre-order, because I think the second pre-order doesn't come with the study notes. So let's just open this, and yeah, and there's like blank pages here that you can write on. And then these are the keyboard stickers. Actually not sure if this is the one of it, because I have a MacBook Pro, so we'll see about this one. And here are the books. There's a 4, so this is the first one, and let's just flip through it. So yeah, that's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And this is the last book. So that's all what I have for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!